Foshan Dafeng Ventilation Technology Company Limited, established in 2022, originated from Dafeng Ventilation Equipment Factory since 1998, is a professional manufacturer in the research, development, sale, and service of industrial fan, portable blower, explosive-proof fan, all kinds of flexible ducts for air ventilation, tunnel and mining duct, heater duct, and so on. We are located in Foshan City with convenient transportation access and centralized industrial supply chain. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our senior engineers with decades' experience are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained certificates of CE, ATEX, and ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System certification. Our products are exported to clients from all over the world, such as US, Europe, Southeast Asia, Africa, and so on. We welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a good reputation among our customers because of our perfect services, quality products, and competitive prices. In the new century, we will always stick to brand strategy. We welcome you to cooperate with us for common success.